Birds are not as dumb as you think. They can actually recognise faces. The University of Lincoln did a study where two researchers of similar build wore different colour lab coats, and only one of them fed the bird. Over time, the birds remembered which researcher fed them last time, even when they swapped coats. Interesting. But how about you have a go at these 5 animal questions? They're a lot trickier than the last ones I posted. Like, you will not get these ones right. Question 1. What is the collective name for a group of parrots? A pandemonium. Question 2. Which animal lays the largest egg? An ostrich. Question 3. What male creature gives birth to its young? The seahorse. And question 4. How do sea otters stop themselves from drifting apart while sleeping? They hold hands.